Okay, I wanted to show you a little bit about what Accelerate looks like from your side. Now yours will just have your students' classes, which means you'll only have second grade language arts, third grade, kindergarten, whatever your grade is. That's the only thing you will see. A means first semester, before Christmas. B means after Christmas, okay? On the first day, there is a lot for you to click on. There will be a resources tab in every subject, but they're pretty informative, okay? Learning coaches tell you what you need to do, what you need to prepare for, what it's like. Getting started, just an introductory video. An audio practice activity, because there will be things for him or her to either speak into the program or to speak to you, to read to you, and you kind of type in the box how he did. The About Me is some easy questions for your child. Teacher's Guide is always here for you, okay? Always. You can always go back and look on it, but Accelerate will not let you get to the lessons until you go through this. Once you do each one, there will be a green check mark right here until you go all the way to the bottom. Not until you finish those will you be able to go on to the next lesson, okay? There are 18 modules, about one per week. Okay, so one per week means in Module 1, there are these things to get through in a week. Please do not try and get them done all in one day. What I want to show you is when you click on 1.1, they're all pretty short pages. Every single one of these will read to your child every time you click on those. You'll go to the next page, and you can also click on this play button at the bottom of the screen and it will read a whole page instead of just a block at a time. There are interactive games, and there are questions. You'll get to see the answer. There's this spelling in this program, spelling practice at the end. Sight words. You will want to download flashcards for your littles. Post them on their door, post them on a wall, somewhere they can see them and you guys can talk about them often. But there will be sight words for every lesson. There's a book in every unit, and usually it's the same book all the way through. Okay, so you may have to read to your child at the beginning, but we want them to work up to it, okay? So when we get to the end here, we should be able to get a worksheet. There you go. So this is what comes in your workbook. You'll take out your English Language Arts A workbook, and it will have this worksheet right here. If you don't have your book yet, please don't worry. Press your download button, and a PDF version is right there. Now, you can print these. You can go through it virtually with your child until you have your workbook in front of you. That is just fine. When you have your worksheet, I do want to see worksheets, okay? I do. If you don't want to put them in this program, that's just fine. Take out your phone. On your Google Drive, there's an app on your phone you can get called Google Drive. Create a folder with your child's name and share that folder with me. And then all you'll have to do is you'll bring out your phone, you'll click on Google Drive, you'll click on the folder you made, you'll hit the plus sign, and it says use camera. Take a picture of the worksheet. On here, I'll show you what it looks like, because you'll send it to me through the phone, okay? So this shows all the worksheets that they did through the week. You type right here, say shared in Google Drive. Say student did great, student struggled, etc. You have to type something in here in order to be able to submit your work. It'll turn blue. Okay? I love it whenever people share on Google Drive with their phones. It takes much less time than through this program. Okay, but you have to type in here, shared on Google Drive, or sharing when we meet each week. And then this will turn blue. All the way through this. Everything will have a submission. Type in here, share it on Google Drive, okay? That's the one thing that makes Accelerate a little bit more than the others, but it's also what makes Accelerate better than some of the others, because you have your published writing, you have your spelling test, you have your independent reading assignments, you have your handwriting, and your reading comprehension all in one program, okay? So again, your first day is almost all resources tab. Pick a module, pick a lesson to try and go through. If any of this is not clear, okay, get with me and email me. If you want to go back to your home screen, you click the three lines and click your home. That will have all of your courses right there. And when you're wondering if your kid's at 6% or not, there will be another circle right here that looks like a gas gauge. Click on the gas gauge and it will take you to a page that shows every single grade for your child. And at the very top, it will say what percent your kid is at. Follow the pacing guide. It's about 6% per week. That's it, guys. I hope you guys have fun.